Okay, because we have the slides and we're going to make full advantage of the slides, the regular class is pretty straightforward and is handled by the slides. The key thing is the area of the triangle. Here is the area of the triangle notes. And you can compare the area calculation of the triangle, rectangle, and parallelogram. And in each one of these you have the height, you have the base, the height, base, the base that you're going to use is from here to here, and the height that you're going to use is over there. So with that, the area of the triangle for each one of these is pretty straightforward. Area equals 1/2 the base times the height, and in this case it's 1/2 times 18 times 13, and you can do the calculation there. And this one, the area, also 1/2 the base times the height, 1/2, 12 times 7.5. Multiply that out, and that equals 45 centimeters squared. Always remember to make the proper labeling. In the triangle here, it's pretty straightforward again. Area equals 1/2 the base times the height. Substitute in half, 8 times 10, and that's 40 inches squared. Alright. In this example 4, the area of the triangle is 24 inches centimeters. So same deal, area equals 1/2 times the base times the height. So if they're giving us the square centimeters, and they gave us the base of 6, they didn't give us the height. 1/2 of 6 is 3. Divide both sides by 3, and you get 8. And it is square centimeters. So there's your answer. Go ahead and do the check-in, and I'll be back with you. The answer to the check-in is there. And that does. And here's the practice. And here are all the answers to the practice. Okay, now we're into the Geo for Advanced. Okay, height, base, height, base, height. We use the exact same equation for all of them. In this one here, the base times the height times 1/2 equals area. So that comes out to, substituting in, 1/2 times 12 times 7.5, and your answer turns out to be 45 centimeters squared. Don't be fearful of this. Still the same thing. Area equals 1/2 base times height. Substitute in, you have 1/2 the base, which is 8, times the height, which is 10, and that becomes half of 8 is 4, 4 times 10, 40 inches squared. Okay, let's move on to 3. This is pretty straightforward too. Area equals 1/2 the base times the height. Well, here they give us 1/2. What's the base? 8. What's the height? X meters. This is meters too. So, is there one that looks just like that? Well, of course there is. And that is this one here. But let's take it a step further. And they're telling us that 48 meters squared is the area. So what is the height? 1/2, 8 meters times X meters is the height. Well, half of 8 is 4. Divide both sides by 4. And we end up with 12 meters equals X, which is the height. Alright. Then this next one, they're giving us a little bit of a squirrely thing, and that is perimeter. We should all know how to calculate perimeter. It's all sides. For a triangle, it's 3. So the perimeter of the triangle is 16. 5 plus 5 plus, we'll call that B for base. Okay? That, when we calculate, we subtract 10 from both sides, that means the base is 6. Now we have the inches, and we can easily create the area by 1/2 the base times the height, and that equals 1/2 base of 6 times height of 4, and that equals 1/2 of 6 is 3, 3 times 4 is 12, and that's 12 inches squared. Bingo. Go ahead and do the check-in, and I'll be back with you in a moment. Okay, area equals base 1/2 base times height. Base is 6 times height of 8.5. You calculate that out, and that becomes what? 25.5 inches squared. Easy peasy. And I'm just going to give you the notes again, just so that you can see the answers. And here is the practice. Let's get to that. And here are the answers. Have a good day.